today be the last day you make an excuse. I'll wait till tomorrow. I can't do this. I can't do that. People don't believe in me. I don't believe in myself. That may be you today. But today is the last day you stop complaining. Take no thoughts that are negative.
I want to win. I want to be somebody. I want to separate. And the way I do that isn't with my giftedness, because I wasn't born with a bunch of gifts. And I think gifts are crap. Man, I don't have that natural beauty or that natural talent or this gift for creativity or intellect or humor. I don't have any of those things. But what I got is I will outwork you. Whatever it is, I always do one more. And what that does is it makes me eventually think I'm doing things other people aren't willing to do, so I should get things other people aren't going to get. Like, you can learn all this stuff. You can digest all the tactics and information that I give out, but if you're not willing to do one more, eventually there's a part of you that says, maybe I don't deserve it. I'm just doing what everybody else is doing, and that's not good enough. It's not even good enough to do more than everybody else. It's your maxed out level. It's one more of everything.
Be aggressive. Take action now. And what is the first action that you need to take? What's the first step you need to take? The first step you need to take is just that step. You got to be prepared. You've got to train. You've got to study. You've got to rehearse. You've got to remain vigilant. You've got to maintain discipline in everything you do so that when the enemy does reveal itself, you have the ability to outfight the enemy.
Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't you quit on you. Don't allow yourself to fall into this trap of believing that you are what you're going through. I know those obstacles and challenges, the thing that you're up against may feel at times like it's breaking you, but what if it's shaping you? And with the right perseverance, with a little bit of hope and a whole lot of perseverance, you can finally receive the help you need to experience a breakthrough. But not if you quit. Not if you quit. Not if you quit on you. These challenges and giants and obstacles may sometimes make you question your worth and your value, and sometimes your life. But listen to me closely. Don't you make a permanent decision for a temporary problem. Don't you quit. Don't you quit. Don't you quit on you. Your value, your worth, your significance, your life is not tied to your history, but it was predetermined to align you to your destiny. But you'll never truly turn your obstacle into opportunity, your barrenness into breakthrough, your problem into purpose if you quit on you.